Hi friends, this project name is Remote Controlled Robotic Car. The main objective of this project is to control the robot by using TV remote. The components used in this project are IR remote, which is used to control the robot movements, 12 volts battery, which is power supply for the robot platform, DC motor, which are used to move robot front, back, left and side. This is motor driver board to which DC motor is connected. This is TSOP7, which is an IR receiver which receives commands from remote. This is Arduino, which is the main microcontroller used in this project. This is power supply to supply a DC voltage to all the modules. This is LED, which is used to indicate whether the robot is moving left side or right side. Now let us see the working of the project. Here we have arranged a switch to switch on the power supply. So with the remote we have to give commands which is received by TSOP7. So let us see how it will work. Here I am pressing 2 so that it takes the command forward and it is moving forward. 8 for backward. 6 for moving left. 4 for moving right. 5 finally 5 to stop the robot. Here LED indications are for whether the robot is moving in left direction or right direction. The main applications are, we can use this by placing a IP camera in military purposes or for defense purposes. This can be used for disabled people for moving front, back, left and right to stop the wheelchair. Thank you.